What's up, traders? Welcome back to ForexCracked. Today I'm sharing the story of how I made my first $10,000 trading Forex. This wasn't an overnight success. It took discipline, learning, and a lot of mistakes. But if I can do it, so can you. Let's dive right in. So, let's start at the beginning. My first step in Forex wasn't placing a trade. It was learning the game. I spent countless hours studying the fundamentals, terms like pips, leverage, and spread. You've got to understand what you're trading before you even think about profits. Knowledge is power. I researched how currency pairs worked, analyzed charts, and tested strategies in demo accounts. It's crucial to start there before jumping in with real money. Next up was choosing the right broker. This step is so underrated, but trust me, it's important. I needed low fees, high leverage options, and reliable execution. After some research, I found a broker that suited my style. When choosing your broker, make sure they are regulated and trustworthy. The last thing you want is to win big and not be able to withdraw your profits. Now here's the secret sauce: building a strategy that works. I didn't chase random trades. I studied charts, used technical indicators, and developed a system. My go-to was a combination of support and resistance, Fibonacci levels, and candlestick patterns. It took time to refine, and I made mistakes along the way, but that's part of the journey. You'll never find a perfect strategy, but consistency is key. Here's the part where most traders fail: risk management. I used the 1 to 2% rule on every trade. I never risked more than 2% of my capital on a single trade, and that saved me from blowing my account multiple times. With Forex, you've got to expect losses, but proper risk management makes sure your account survives the tough times. Trading is 90% mindset. There were times I wanted to quit after a losing streak, but I reminded myself that this is a long-term game. Patience and persistence paid off. I tracked my trades, reviewed my mistakes, and focused on improving day by day. Eventually, that discipline turned into profits, and those profits added up to my first $10,000. So there you have it, the journey to my first $10,000 in Forex trading. It wasn't luck, it was hard work, learning from mistakes and sticking to a strategy. If you're serious about trading, stay focused, keep learning, and don't give up. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on crushing it in Forex. And remember, at ForexCracked, we're all about helping you crack the code to Forex success.